Sean and Amanda from KVS Travel. We're back at Excellence Oyster Bay. We're now at the Excellence Club Junior Suite with private pool. 7056. We're close. The Excellence Club is right there. And that, you're straight ahead, you're looking at the first of the beach houses. So come on in. It's a junior suite, but I think it's one of the neater rooms that they have on property. So here you have the Xbox where you put your dirty dishes, and if you tell them, you know, that's where you get your room service delivered to. Your controls, and I'm not going to give you every detail because I want you to call and book with us. We are travel agents. We don't just show rooms. We want you to call us and use our services because we travel where we book, and we're real travel agents, and we give you the real thing. So that's the shower, the rain shower, and the handheld. Double sink. The Excellence Club, you got the Bulgari products, you got storage and towels. This is the water room. Plenty of mirrors, king size bed.
This is the cage.
Yeah.
It's actually really neat. It's wooden.
Got a wonderful closet system here. So you put your suitcases and be very organized in one spot. So it's very easy to get into the room and all that.
Shoe shine basket, steam iron, luggage rack, lots of space.
And then you open this up, it kind of keeps the room separate. This just glides. You see it's a big TV there, big king size bed. Sectional sofa, table, work area, another TV, little vanity mirror, rocking chair.
Plenty of space.
Yes, plenty of space. But if you're going to be here for a longer time and you want that view, you're going to want to go into the rooftop. And then here we have one of Excellence's kind of feature things, which a lot of the rooms don't have, is their built-in jacuzzi, whirlpool tub. From the inside, you have this view. You got some ocean views over there, and the beach houses, and their pool. And you want privacy, there's blinds you close here. So we're gonna check that out tonight.
Definitely. That's gonna be fun.
And here. And I'll let Amanda just show you and then come back in.
Beautiful Shays double lounge. The main pool down there. Here we have steps down to your
So once again, this is Excellence Oyster Bay, the Junior Suite with private pool, jacuzzi, and KVS Travel. We want you to book with us. We're real travel agents. We really travel. And subscribe to my YouTube channel, and you get up to $100 off your first booking. Every time you refer people, you get a $25 referral credit for future travel. And whether this is your place, of course, or it's not, we cover it all. We book Caribbean. We go to all kinds of places. We're not exclusive to anybody. I don't care about that phone. They'll call back. We're not exclusive to anybody or any product. We're exclusive to our clients. We're with you from the beginning to the end. We don't let you go. Once you pay your money, we don't just disappear on you. We take all your calls and your texts. So when you call us, you have your own concierge-style travel agent. You follow us and like us on Facebook. I'm on Twitter a little bit, not Instagram. And definitely subscribe to my YouTube channel. And give me a call on my cell phone when you're ready to book or plan your destination wedding or honeymoon, family vacation. We do Caribbean. We do the Disney products, of course, cruises. We do custom California trips. We do Hawaii and custom Hawaii trips where we can bounce you around the islands. We also do some Western Europe trips. That's our specialty. So basically, we're here for you. and we're real travel. We're bringing the 60s back to the new millennia here, to the 2018s and beyond. We're giving service. Nobody has service anymore. Try us, you'll stay with us. Thank you.